Mental health is a crucial aspect of our overall well-being, yet it often receives less attention than physical health. Our mental health affects the way we think, feel, and act, and it can impact our relationships, work, and daily life. Mental health refers to our emotional, psychological, and social well-being, and it plays a vital role in our ability to function in everyday life. Mental health can be influenced by a variety of factors, including genetics, environment, and lifestyle. For example, people with a family history of mental health disorders may be at a higher risk of developing a mental illness. Similarly, exposure to trauma or stressful life events can increase the likelihood of developing mental health problems. There are many different types of mental health disorders, each with their own unique symptoms and challenges. Some common mental health disorders include anxiety disorders, depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, eating disorders, and personality disorders, among others. These disorders can range from mild to severe, and they can significantly impact a person's life. One of the most significant challenges associated with mental health is the stigma that often surrounds it. Many people feel ashamed or embarrassed to seek help for their mental health problems, and they may fear being judged or discriminated against. This stigma can be particularly harmful, as it can prevent people from getting the help they need to manage their mental health. It is important to recognize that mental health disorders are treatable, and people can recover with the appropriate treatment and support. Treatment options for mental health disorders can include therapy, medication, lifestyle changes, and support groups. The most effective treatment approach will depend on the specific disorder and the individual's needs. Mental health disorders can be challenging to manage and treat, and there is no single cure that works for everyone. However, there are several approaches that can be effective in helping individuals manage their mental health disorders and improve their overall well-being. Therapy, one of the most common approaches to treating mental health disorders, is therapy. There are several types of therapy, including cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, which focuses on changing negative thought patterns and behaviors, and interpersonal therapy, IPT, which helps individuals improve their relationships and social skills. Therapy can be individual or group-based, and it is often used in conjunction with medication. Medication can be effective in treating mental health disorders, particularly for conditions such as depression, anxiety, and bipolar disorder. Medications can help to regulate neurotransmitters in the brain, which can improve mood and reduce symptoms. However, medications can have side effects, and they should only be used under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Lifestyle changes can also be effective in managing mental health disorders. These can include getting regular exercise, eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and avoiding drugs and alcohol. These changes can help to regulate mood and reduce symptoms. Support groups can be a helpful resource for individuals with mental health disorders. These groups provide a safe space for individuals to share their experiences, connect with others who are going through similar struggles, and learn coping strategies. Alternative therapies such as meditation, yoga, and acupuncture can also be effective in managing mental health disorders. These therapies can help to reduce stress and improve mood. It is important to note that the most effective treatment approach will depend on the specific disorder and the individual's needs. It is also important to seek treatment from a healthcare professional who can provide guidance and support throughout the treatment process. In addition to these treatment approaches, it is important to prioritize self-care and stress management in managing mental health disorders. This can include practicing mindfulness, engaging in activities that bring joy, and finding healthy ways to cope with difficult emotions. Overall, while there is no single cure for mental health disorders, there are several approaches that can be effective in managing symptoms and improving overall well-being. By seeking treatment and prioritizing self-care, individuals can take steps towards managing their mental health and living fulfilling lives. Organizations and policymakers also play a vital role in promoting mental health and reducing the stigma surrounding mental health disorders. This can include funding mental health research, providing resources and support for those with mental health disorders, and promoting awareness and education about mental health. In conclusion, mental health is a crucial aspect of our overall well-being, and it deserves attention and care. Mental health disorders can significantly impact a person's life, but they are treatable, and people can recover with the appropriate support and resources. By promoting awareness and reducing the stigma surrounding mental health, we can create a more supportive and inclusive environment for those with mental health disorders.